In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or show results from Clipboard when using a Spotlight search on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. On the left panel, you want to go down and select Spotlight. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down again. And where it says results from clipboard, you want to go ahead and toggle that to the on position to allow Spotlight to search and display items you've copied from your clipboard. Personal and sensitive information may appear in search results. Close out of here to save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.